Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you how to create a to-do list in React by making use of use state hooks and use effect hooks. So this is my to-do list app. Here I have performed the CRUD operations using JSON placeholder and API to fetch the list of items with the help of React hooks. In my to-do list app, we can add the task, mark the task as completed, edit the task and delete the task from our to-do list. In the input box, we can add the new task like now add this task. The task is added successfully and the task is saved to our task list. If we try to click this add button without writing any task, a message appears. Add the task here. This is the warning message. Next feature is the edit button for updating our task. If I click on this edit button, it will give you the option to change the task. Now click on this add button. Our task is updated successfully and this task is now added to our list. Next feature is to mark the task as completed. If I click on this complete icon, it will mark the task as completed. And if the task is completed, we can delete this task from our task list. By clicking on this icon, a task is deleted successfully. Now, if I want to clear all the tasks from my task list, I can click on this clear button to delete all my tasks. The task is cleared. So that's all about my project. Now I will show you the code that I have coded in the VS Code by making use of React hooks like use state hook and use effect hook. This is my app.js file. This is the root element which is our app component in which we have imported the to-do app component. In the to-do app.js, I have imported the use state and use effect hooks. Here I have used the four states to update our hook. In the use effect hook, we are calling the API function call API method to fetch the list of tasks from it. This is our call API method in which we are calling the JSON placeholder which is the dummy API and I can fetch the dummy data from it. We get the response object and convert it into JSON. Then I set the data by setList method. Our component is re-rendered and this use effect we are calling after every render. In the return method, I have written the JSX to display our UI. Inside this container, we can see the header, the title of the app, that is the to-do app, placeholder to write our task. Next is the update method. If the update is true, then show this first image, and if the update is false, then show this second image. The clear button to clear all our tasks. Next is the task component, where I am handling the events like list, handle, delete, update task, and so on. Going up, this is our function to add task to list. If it is empty, it gives the notification as add the task here first. And if we click on the add button without writing any task, it gives the pop-up to add the task first. After adding the task, it makes a post call to the API, and the task is now set in the React states. Next is the clear all task function. This function clears all the tasks, and when the task is cleared, it shows a toast message task is cleared. This function is to handle the delete. If we click on the delete icon, the task is deleted successfully. This method is for updating the task. This is the to-do app.js, and the task.js. Here we are performing the logic like delete, edit, mark as complete, and some JSX. This is our index.css. So that's all about the code, and thanks for watching.